Hey guys, Corey, the House of Vacuums. We're going to do an unedited, unscripted unboxing of a brand new product by Riccar. It is the R70. It is an all-in-one mop and vacuum. So we have the unit and we have the accessory pack, and we're going to unbox everything and go through it together. So here we go. I personally have not even seen one of these units in person yet. Nice packaging. Smart mop and vacuum. All right, so let's set this over here, and then we'll kind of put it together as we go. Owner's manual. This looks like to be, yep, the vacuum head. Very lightweight. This is the floor head. Very nice, soft rollers. Rubber coated wheels. Nice squeegee. Very nice. Crevice tool. Now this crevice tool has a electric. So we have a light on the end of the flexible crevice tool. Cleaner brush. Dusting brush. Holder. Tool caddies. This looks like the cylinder. This is where all the dirty water and everything can be contained. And it looks like this plugs in here. This would then plug in here. Battery. Charger. Now this is a self-cleaning mop. I do see the power, and it looks like it charges through this stand as well. So this will then sit in its stand. Then it looks like we have the actual lock that locks everything in here. Let's build this first. And again, guys, I'm doing this for the first time. I've never opened one of these before, even played with this product yet. And then this plugs into the back here, and it looks like these holders then will click on here for accessory storage. There we go. And that's all that comes with the standard unit. So you're going to have the mop system. You do have the flexible crevice tool that looks like it has its little home here. A dusting brush. The cleaner tool for this. And then, of course, your charger. We have run times on this, but we're going to do some testing on it. I'll put it in the comments as to what we actually get in real life situations for runtime on this. But this is a mop and vacuum all-in-one self-cleaning. And now it is an optional accessory for the accessory pack for this. So now let's open that. Now with this optional accessory package, it's almost going to give you more stick style. So this is going to be a motorized nozzle. This looks like an adapter that goes on this, so we'll click that on in a moment. Looks like we have an accessory hose. An adapter mount. This looks like a stick vacuum wand, so it looks like this is going to be a stick vacuum and a mop all in one. And sure enough, it is. So this is the power nozzle for your bare flooring and carpet. Of course, this is dry only. This is not the wet. Looks like this is a pet tool. Very nice. And then we have a very soft dusting brush that articulates. And that is it for that. So now let's put this together. So I'm going to take all these off. Pop these off, because it looks like these will in turn Let's take this off. And so it actually gives you little symbols on here as to where these accessories will go. So I'm just going to match these up per the symbols. This looks like this clicks in here. And then it looks like this is your nozzle here that hangs on the side here. And then let's see, we have a spot for the dusting brush. We have a spot for the cleaning tool. Oops. We have the spot for the crevice tool, and it looks as if the hose hangs right here. These, of course, would be removed when you have the accessory package, and then your power cord plugs into the back. So now you have a total package of everything: mop, vacuum, stick vacuum, all in one on a very nice charging stand from Riccar. So finally, we have a premium product by an amazing company that is going to be a repairable product that is a mop and a vacuum all in one. So stay tuned on our socials. We are going to do a day in a life with this machine. We're going to use it, and we're going to do some real reporting on run times, but we're extremely excited to have them in. We do have them in stock now, and they will be on our website shortly at thehouseofvacuums.com. Again, Corey with the House of Vacuums. This is the Riccar R70.